Hello boys and girls, nice to see you again. Well, today I'm going to read a story about 10 little robots. You can see them on the front cover of this book. Can you help me to count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they're all different and they're all going to have an adventure. Let's find out what happens to them inside the book. 10 Little Robots. Mike Brownlow wrote the story and Simon Rickerty drew the pictures. Let's just move my picture down here, then we can see what's happening. 10 little robots, gleaming, sparkly new. Power on, lights blink, they wonder what to do. This factory looks exciting. Shall we take a peep? 10 little robots all say, beep. Well, let's find out what happens next. 10 little robots miss a warning sign. Nina, ah, goes the siren. Oh dear, can you see? A robot's fallen down the hole. Now there are 9. 9 little robots stumble through a gate. Oops, mind the slippery oil. Oh dear, look, the slippery oil on the floor. Now there are, how many do you know? 8. 8 little robots. It's hot just like an oven. Kaboom goes the engine room. Oh dear. Now there are, do you know how many? 7. 7 little robots dodge the crashing bricks. Choo choo goes the tiny train. Now there are, how many? 6. 6 little robots running for their lives. Thump go the crusher's hammer. Can you see the hammers? Now there are 5. 5 little robots fear the furnace roar. Clang goes the magno grab. Oh, but look, there's one holding on here. Now there are 4. 4 little robots trying to wriggle free. Boing goes a flying spring. Look, there's a robot holding on to the spring. Now there are 3. 3 little robots above the molten brew. Can you see this one's holding on here? Crackle, fizzle, go the sparks. Now there are 2. 2 little robots duck the laser gun. Buzz whines the heli-drone. Now there's only 1. Look, he's just behind my picture here. Let's move that. There he is. Oh dear. 1 little robot dangling from a rope. Can he save the others? Mustn't give up hope. Fighting through the wreckage, climbing through the mess. Plug the holes, fix the pipes. Can he mend it? Yes! Hooray! The danger's over. Their buzzers chirp and cheep. 10 little robots all shout, beep. They're all back together. Fantastic. And look, here are some other stories that we might read another time. There's the back cover, and there's the front and back cover, and that's the front cover. 10 Little Robots, a super story about robots that look after each other. Friendly robots. I hope you liked it. See you again soon. Goodbye.